Hi, coming live and direct from Manila, Philippines at the SM Mall of Asia. And this is the Postpreneur Percy coming to you with a special message for you veterans and you military people. And here's this. I talked more about the last video, a little bit about what I think are the 5 big things you need to get into as far as making your own legacy, your own income, your own business, starting anew, and you being the boss and you creating something amazing. Now, what are those things? Number 1, social media marketing agency. You can create a small business on your own that requires no setup from the taxes and everything like that. So you don't need to set up an LLC. What you need to do is you just need to start learning how to do paid and free, or what they call organic traffic for clients. And the easiest way to do this is to use, I'm sure you've heard this before, Facebook ads, okay? And with Facebook ads, you can target the specific market for your clients, and you can create more leads for your clients, and your clients will pay you to create these leads and give them to your clients for a fee, and that is your business model, okay? The second is dropshipping. Dropshipping, you could start with something like Shopify. You could go source products overseas or in America for like cheap. And what you do is you basically purchase the goods when your customers order them, and you have the wholesaler, I'm sorry, not the wholesaler, but the supplier ship those products directly to your customer. That way you are not carrying any inventory at all. It's one of the lowest priced business models and opportunities, except for the fact of putting in the time effort and money effort for paying for advertisements. When we go back into, guess what? Facebook ads, okay? So as you can see, Facebook ads is kind of a key skill that you're going to want to learn when you get out of the military, or as you're in still. Just if it's something you have time to try to pick up on, you could do that from time to time. And the third business opportunity you have is to do what's called affiliate marketing. Okay, and affiliate marketing, there's pretty much 2 ways to look at affiliate marketing. There's something I call passive affiliate marketing, and there's something that I call active affiliate marketing. Okay, and these 2 can be connected somewhat, but a lot of affiliate marketers choose to use one or the other. And in one, and let me explain them to you real quick, and then I'll get into a video where I cover them in detail as to what the differences between the 2 are. Now, the first major difference between a passive and what I call active affiliate marketer is that a passive affiliate marketer is using soft hyperlinks to draw in traffic to their affiliate website. So to draw in that traffic, they're using what I call like a super lead or a super lead magnet, super content platform, and they use that platform to draw in traffic, and the traffic will usually look at the link because they're interested in the traffic by clicking on it, and then that way they get to the affiliate, the website, so that affiliate marketer can earn their commission. Now, the second is the active. Now, the active is when the affiliate marketer builds a specific website or a page. It could be like a one-page to website where they specifically build an ad and they specifically pay to send traffic to that ad. When they pay to send traffic to that ad, what they're leveraging is they're leveraging the cost of the ads and paid using like Facebook ads, Google ads, to the cost of their let me phrase that, their profit they make or their income from the affiliate marketing company that they're getting their affiliate commissions from. And then they look at the ROI between that, and that's how they're making their profit from the ROI between those two things. Now, I'm not going to get into I'll get into other videos on how to, in that detail, and how I see it. And actually, I'll go through both, and I'll show you both different ways of doing affiliate marketing. I'll show you those on the computer, and I'll show you exactly how to do those things, okay? I might have that be a 2-video series. And moving on to number 4, okay? The next, or the fourth opportunity for business, the big one, is what I like to call vending services, okay? Vending services, or commonly known as, some people call it the ATM business, ATM Academy, ATM franchise, ATM whatever, university, whatever. It doesn't, the thing is this, okay? It is beyond ATMs, okay? It's beyond ATMs. The ATM machine itself is not where that end of that business model ends, okay? It's much more than that. And you got to think to yourself, okay, I have the opportunity to put ATMs and other cash service terminals in businesses, and the business, how they profit is from the number of traffic that comes in, because they know that the customers they're able to utilize that machine to get their transaction done. Now, why do the business owners, the small business owners that you partner with love this? It's because they don't have to pay for it. You're providing the equipment, and you're also providing the connection, the maintenance, everything that they would think is going to be a headache. They don't have to deal with. So that way they could squarely and solely focus on their business, which is why that business model works. And I have videos on that in detail in my on my page that you can look at as well. Now the fifth one is going to be what's called OA, or online arbitrage. And online arbitrage is when you are purchasing in quantities, in high quantities, but at a low price from a supplier, and from the supplier, you're going to go ahead and become an Amazon seller, and you're going to have your particular item in bulk sent to an Amazon warehouse, where Amazon's going to package it up. They're going to charge you a small fee, and then they're going to sell your product for you. So the reason why people like this is because you pretty much source your material, you sort your products, and you send them to Amazon, and everybody knows Amazon is a huge name. So Amazon online arbitrage, or FBA as it's called, fulfilled by Amazon, it's the same thing, the same concept in my book. And what you're doing is, like I said, you're allowing your business to take off because you're using a platform of Amazon to fulfill your orders and sell your products. So this is why Amazon FBA, or online arbitrage, is the fifth best thing that you could get into as a veteran, as a military person, getting out of the military, going to TAP class, transition assistance program, or whatever it's called. You go into the transition class to get out of the military, or whatever, and you have more choices. You have way more choices out there available to you that are going to give you more control, more time control over your life, and more profit. So you have those opportunities to do those things. So I suggest to you, I'm going to end this. I just looked at my watch. I'm going to end this video soon, but Leave some comments down there below if you have any questions on what I talked about today. If you want to see any more videos in specific, and I'll start cranking out more videos soon. And thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to notify you when I upload more videos. It is getting difficult because the sun is setting here in Manila. So see you later. Peace and have a good one.